So I've found Melody. She's with these pretty young ladies. So what's your name?
Joanna.
Joanna. And she's so Maganda. And we have
Joe Billy.
Joe Billy. Wow, that's a nice name. Joe Billy. And we have Edward's crush.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Lisa.
Balisa.
Yeah.
This handsome guy here is the brother of my father-in-law.
Father-in-law.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And as he's just said, these are his two beautiful daughters. So let's go and have a look at my mum-in-law over here. So this is my beautiful mother-in-law. And this is my new adoptive family. And who's this? What's your name? Yes. Oh.
My friend.
And that's your friend. And who's singing?
Tita.
Tita. Come. Right, my sweetheart's coming. Tell me who these are. Tell me who they are.
Friend of my mom.
Friend of your mom. And that's sister-in-law's.
Brother by uncle.
This is
My mom. Yeah.
my husband's there with the glasses. So we're having a bit of karaoke, and I'm going to try a bit of karaoke in a bit when I've had a bit more to drink. No joke, like. Now I'm going to sing in a bit, but I want to have a go in the sea. Now the sand, it's not white. It looks dirty, but it's not. It's just the colour of the sand. And apparently, so I've been told, this is a very popular place for Filipinos to come. And I keep saying about smell-o-vision and heat and that kind of thing, but it's a little bit dull today, but it is really warm because we're still in summer, just. And hello! And look at this. I've got to show you this one. She's so sweet. Come and have a look. Now, this little sweet thing here, when she's not playing in the sea with her friends, I can't move for her. She loves me to death, bless her. She's so sweet. And it's Chris, I can't move. It's like I've got my own adoptive daughter. I've got an instant daughter. We're going, say hi. And this one here, that's her father there. That's her dad. I'll see you a little bit later on, but I've got something more to tell you. No,
You are
Oscar, I'm very kind. Am I very kind?
you are a Robin Hood.
Yes. But I don't wear the tights.
Nasa video
You like every moves to have our video?
What?
No, the
Is he secretly taking video?
Yeah.
My God, that's your about these guys.
It's so foolish.
He's very sly, this one. You have to watch him. Daughter, sorry. He said son, not me. This is his daughter.
Yeah.
What's her name?
Oh, what's your name? Ano pangalan mo?
He's forgot his daughter's name.
Denaira.
Denaira. Jonathan. I'm Jonathan.
Jonathan. And this
He's
is
my
Brother.
brother.
Jomar. Jomar. She's
Look at that, two handsome guys there. Guapo.
Oh, thank you.
And this is Anthony. Sorry, I'm doing And this is Anthony.
My brother-in-law.
New Year's gigs.
Sooner or later you will be your brother-in-law also.
Yes.
If you will be willing.
He will be my brother from another mother.
Yeah.
If you like my videos, please subscribe. Help me on Patreon. Give me the thumbs up, like on Facebook. Here's some more videos. Or you can buy one of my t-shirts and help me out that way.